In this video, we will be discussing the importance of rainwater collection. We will describe how to make our own rainwater collection system. First, let's talk about collecting rainwater. Rainwater is a pure form of water that we can collect to give to the crops when they need it. Here are the materials we will need. To build our collection system, we need to start with a gutter-like system around the rooftop of a building to capture the water runoff. The gutter must then lead to pipes, allowing the water to flow into our collection tanks. These tanks will be 2 large barrels and would be placed on the ground below the pipes. The next step will be to add a hole on the outside of the barrel with a nozzle to control water flow. To keep the collected water free of large debris, we must add a screen to the top of our barrels. We will then add a hose to the nozzle of the barrel to direct it into our sub-irrigated planters. The rainwater collection system will allow us to preserve water to use in our planters during dry seasons. With this system, we can control the amount of water that reaches our plants. Rainwater collection can reduce our carbon footprint while also saving money. With this system, we can increase food security for the community. We can also consider how we irrigate our plants. We can use a drip system out of our rainwater collection tanks that run along the planters. To begin this system, we need to lead the water out of our elevated collection barrels to a pump. This pump is necessary to provide the pressure the water needs to reach our planters. The pump has an outlet hose that can run through a series of tubing through the planter. These tubing systems require holes that allow for water to drip on the plants. Another great alternative can be using our old plastic water bottles as drip irrigation for our gardens. This can reduce waste and be beneficial for our system. To accomplish this, we need to fill up our water bottles to the top with a few centimeters of air remaining in the bottle. Then, we need to make small holes near the bottom of the bottle with the cap tightly closed. With this system, we will bury the bottle about 10 to 15 centimeters deep in our garden soil. This is a great way to slowly hydrate our plants while reusing our plastic water bottles. Through this collection and irrigation system, we have been able to create a way to successfully water plants and to feed the community.